today is day 3 of Unit 17 of our big, beautiful Earth. And today we are going to be talking about the moon. The moon is round like a ball. The moon is far away, so it just looks like a circle to us. We can see the moon in the sky at night. We are going to watch a video now, and it is called Sun, Moon, and Earth.
If you were way out in space looking back at the Earth, you'd see that the Earth is spinning round and round like a merry-go-round. Do you ever wonder why we have day and night? Well, it's because the sun is like a big light bulb. When the part of the Earth where you live is turned toward the sun, it's light or daytime. When your part of the Earth is turned away from the sun, it's dark or nighttime. Not only is the Earth spinning, it's also moving around the sun. Know what else is moving and spinning out there in space? The moon. The moon spins as it moves around the Earth. So the Earth moves around the sun, and the moon moves around the Earth. Gosh, there's a lot of moving and spinning going on in space. It's amazing that we're not all dizzy.
The moon is very important to us. It gives us light at night, but it does not make its own light. It is not made of fire like the sun or other stars. The moon gives us light at night because the sunlight bounces off of it. Our wonderful word today is moon. The moon is shaped like a ball. It goes around and around the Earth. It gives us light at night.
Moon. The moon is a big, round, rocky ball over 200,000 miles from the Earth. The moon travels around the Earth about once every month. Indeed, month is a word that comes from moon. The moon doesn't shine with a light of its own, but we can see it in the sky because the sun shines on it and makes the part of it where the sun is shining bright enough to see easily all the way from Earth. Depending where the moon is on its trip around the Earth, more or less of it is lit by the sun. That's why the moon is sometimes a thin crescent, and sometimes half lit, and sometimes full. We call the changing shapes of the lit portion of the moon the phases of the moon.
Okay, let's go ahead and look in our daily message to see if our wonderful word moon is in the daily message. My turn to read. The moon gives the Earth light at night. Did you see or hear the wonderful word moon in our daily message today? Yes, we did. It is right here. And it is the word moon. Okay, we are going to review our letter for the week. And our letter is this. Can you remember what letter that is? O. And remember, O has two sounds. O, 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 and ah, ah, ah. Let's practice some words that start with O. I say octagon. You say. I say ah, ah, octagon. You say. I say octagon. You say. I say ox. You say. I say ah, ah, ox. You say. I say ox. You say. I say octopus. You say. I say ah, ah, octopus. You say. I say octopus. You say. I say olive. You say. I say ah, ah, olive. You say. I say olive. You say. We just practiced 4 words that have the short O sound. Can you see if you can come up with words at your house that have the long O sound? We're going to watch a video now called The Soul Letter O.
There's a letter O, O, let me hear you say it. O, it's good for starting open. Open, it's cool for okay. Okay, it starts old, old, and oboe. Oh, and are you hip? And I to push starts with the letter O. Oh, that's O.
Okay, let's look into our math moments with curiosity. And remember, this week we are counting backwards with him from 10 to 1.
I love to count. Let's count backwards, starting with number 10. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, we are going to watch our video now, Worms in Space 14.
And now it's time for Worms in Space with our worm astronauts. 5 very brave, very smart, very cute little worms. Today, our fearless worm astronauts will attempt to make the number 14. Our question is, can they do it? They're lining up. Looks like one of the worms has perhaps dropped out. Yes. And there the answer is yes. Worms can make the number 14 in space. Another spectacular triumph for our 5 very brave, very smart, very cute little worms.
Okay, let's review our plan and play sections for this week. We have Space Shuttle, Space Museum, Let's Play House, and Construction Zone. Let's see if you can make any of those centers at your house. Thanks for watching Day 3. Make sure to stay tuned for Day 4 with Miss Peterson tomorrow for Unit 17 of our Big Beautiful Earth. Thanks, guys!